Make our own beehive. Yeah, we're not on the homestead, but we're making our own beehive. Oh, well, my dad's making it, so then we can put them on the ranch and honey and pollinize the flowers and whatnot. Hopefully you can hear me. If not, it's a little loud, but yeah, so my dad made all this in the last few days, so stay tuned for the final reveal. Cool.
Yeah, I bet there's not very many backups anymore. Backup accidents.
Here's the finished product. We just gotta put that's the small one. This is the large one. Just gotta put the entrances and exits in there. As you can see, we got, I think, like 10 frames in the big one, and I think there's maybe 20 frames. Alright, here's the final product of the beehives. We had to put these on, and we had to move those so they go in and out. Here's the lid. We have these with the little wires in them so they can start building there as a foundation. I think you can get little starters too, but I think here we go. That's our end product. There's the carpenter. Oh, there he goes. He's buzzing away, guys. Buzz, buzz away. So that's it for us. Let us know how the beehives look and what we did wrong and what you suggest to do next time. And we'll let you know when we get the queen and her little drones or whatever they're called, and then we'll work on it and film it and hopefully don't get stung quite a bit. All right, later. Till next time.